with Hamburg honey. This is the hive of bees that we put on our bed, and they're acting a little rambunctious. And I noticed that they've been pooping a lot. We haven't been feeding them syrup or anything, but I'm a little suspicious about it, so I'm going to be doing a Nosema test on them. And for that I have to catch 15 to do this test on them with a microscope to see them in the microscope slide. So what I've done was, where their feet are supposed to go, I took the plug out and I put this empty jar right here with honey. I wiped some honey on the inside, and there's a few bees in there. So as they go in there, I'm going to capture 15 of them and put them in the container we use to do alcohol mite washes. And once I get my 15, I'm going to run my test on them. If for some reason they have Nosema, I have a way to treat them. They do this once in a while. They get really loud on the bed, sometimes at night when we're trying to sleep, but it's okay. It doesn't bother us. We just notice it though. So I'm going to see if this poop they got in here is Nosema, or if it's just too cold to go outside and they need to go to the bathroom. So we'll keep this going once I get my 15 bees. So I had to change jars and put the smaller one on here. You can see once in a while a bee will go in here. When I get a few of them in there, I'll capture them. I have 9 so far. I need 15 to do this test accurately. So I'm going to keep trying to get my bees to go in here. They're still acting kind of crazy right now. You can see crazy bees on my bed. So I got my 15 bees, and I removed the abdomens actually. Okay, and then once I do this, you gotta crush it up really good. Crush all the abdomens up good. You can see there's a lot of poop in there still, so they're not all pooping in there. Okay. So Mike got the bees cut apart, and we smashed them and added 5 milliliters of water. And then I was able to take a photo with my phone actually into the microscope here, where we looked to see if they had Nosema. And it looks really good. There isn't hardly any in there, if a few maybe. So I'm going to go outside and see if maybe their pipe might be clogged going outside. Sometimes they just get that way, you know. We're not in their hives 24/7 in winter, so we don't know. This is our first overwinter hive that we've been able to observe, and we're just learning about it, basically. So I'm checking the pipe, and it looks like there's some ice buildup on here. The pipe's not closed up. I can see, and they're pretty good. Bees have been coming out. It's not plugged with dead bees. I can even hear them buzzing. I don't know if you could hear that or not. But you can hear them buzzing inside the hive. So they are just a little bit upset today for some reason. We haven't been in there bothering them. We've actually been out of our bedroom for a while today. Just, you know, doing things we need to do in the house away from the bees. Light hasn't been on. They've had their styrofoam on. They're in complete darkness. So this is just something we noticed. We could hear them. And they have their moods, I guess, just like we do. So get out and enjoy your bees, guys, if you can.